Yo. Okay, Gameland. Restarting the finals of Dragon Ball FighterZ right now. Winner finals ongoing. Mild Man versus Zero Q. So let's go on.
Alright, so I'm here with y'all guys now. Let's see this match, Zero versus my man. So Zero is known as the best Dragon Ball FighterZ player in Germany. So, you know, this boy got some work. I'm telling you guys, immediately I played against him, he's good as fuck. So,
Now he's
like,
in the corner and big team going on, keeping the pressure on. Zero.
get that out of here! He said, get that mess out of here. And he grabbed it.
Now it's Zero's turn. Hit on the combo. He dropped the combo.
Okay. Alright, the pressure's going on. Black, okay. We open him up. Corner combos.
Good come on, man. 16 for my man. I think that's good.
Nah, it's not gonna kill him.
Early activation of the sparkling dash.
Yeah, I think he's trying to keep the 16 alive, so yeah. 16 is definitely the key in the team, so you definitely want to keep him alive. Michael Jordan! Oh, the burst! Yeah, that Piccolo's got to stay alive too. Right. When is the crossover coming? Oh, we open him up. Alright, we're about to see the Hell's on grenade mixed up. I think he might kill him right now. Yeah, he's gonna kill him. He's dead. Yeah, that's the
combination of the combo and into the
16 is gone. Lord Frieza himself versus Namekian. Is Namekian gonna take his revenge? Get those unsafe string out my face. That's what he said. You try to grab? Nah. You gonna get these hands. You didn't grab me, you get these hands. Almost. Is he gonna? Yeah. We got him out. Yeah, he's gonna have to switch Frieza quick to get him killed. Alright. I think Frieza's gonna come back. Yep. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that. Okay. Oh, right. That was
kind of combo that Frieza pressure. We have enough time to keep the pressure going.
Yeah, his Frieza pressure is nice. So let's see how it goes. Okay, still pressure situation. Alright, back to neutral. Then he gets to neutral. I see how Zero is always like using his assists at the right moment in neutral to like put pressure on his enemy, so he can like open him up and get to him to get to block. Because you know you win neutral when your enemy's on block. I see how Zero does it. Zero is smooth with it. Okay. Ooh, I thought that Hell's Grenade was about to come. Nah, Hell's Grenade too. Not yet. Alright, so Zero convincingly, and that's the punish for the vanish. And that's pretty much dead. No, that's not dead. Now the mix-up, let's see how it goes. Ooh, you dead. You gone. Namekian got his revenge. Yeah.
So, my first match goes to Zero Q. First match in the finals, winner finals of Dragon Ball FighterZ.
All or nothing.
Okay. My man, open him up real quick. Let's see how.
The combo back. Don't get caught up.
Bring Goku Black. Oh, cute little crossover. Oh, you about to extend that. Yeah, he's not gonna let him breathe. He's not gonna. Alright, okay. Vanish. He knew he was backdashing, but it didn't work out because he switched out in the right time. That was smart from my man. Smart. Because as you can see, Zero knew he was going to backdash, but like he changed character at the right time. Okay, and then make him finish. What freezes behind? And then the mix up, let's see how it goes. Ah, yeah, he got hit. Definitely not. He definitely blocked it. Look at Zero's assist is so clean. The way he uses his assist is always so exact and proper. Ah, that was out of range. Alright, so Piccolo next. The real dad. Gohan's real dad. Alright, mess that up. Still in neutral, trying to open up each other. It's not working how they want to. Yeah, I feel Zero is kind of reaching. He really wants to put the pressure. He doesn't want that substitution whatsoever. Now that's not it. Oh, he dropped it. Hey, so my man is convincing lead. Oh, it's looking pretty even. It's like Vegeta now is gonna die. This is even. I'd say even Zero's in the game. Okay, the pressure. Yo, Zero breaks every throw. This dude is so good with it. Alright, got it. Whoa, my man looking pretty good right now. This one. Okay. Is that a dead? Is that a dead? That's a dead cell. Oh, no, missed it. No. Yeah, that could be a good chance.
I know it's close. For my man.
Nah, that was so unfortunate that he dropped it.
But you see, they have a Piccolo.
Yeah. But the thing is, it's unfortunate that my man dropped the combo because that was a dead cell for sure. Look, and now that Vegeta's dead. That's how it goes. You cannot afford to drop whatsoever in this game. Vegeta's dead.
And sure, you cannot drop a combo against Tech. That will show you how it's done.
My man's gonna manage to get Cell back. With that blue life he got, he's gotta get Cell in immediately. Again. I'd say the live streams, I'm gonna punish that. Yeah, Cell back.
I'm just back in the game.
Okay, what's gonna happen? Okay. You would rather stay patient, that's good. Ooh, that was cute.
Really smart for my man.
Yo, my man is looking really good right now. I like this. It's some good ass Dragon Ball.
That's a super dash.
I thought he was gonna level 3. Now it's level 3.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, is that dead?
I'm not so sure. I don't think so.
Yeah, he's like. Oh, he's got one. Oh, what did he do? Punish that!
Flashing going on. Late.
Okay. Is that going to be the turning point? Let's see. Zero going to put in work? Okay, he blocked all of that. That's good. I didn't have no meter to manage. That's unfortunate. Yo, is the comeback happening? No, that comeback's happening. It is. It is possible.
My man has to keep this pressure going on.
He just has to kill Frieza in his group. That is 1-1. The game goes to Mileman.
That was after the super dash.
Are you ready?
It looks like really even for the two players. But I'm not so sure who's going to take the win of both. Can you open up that series? Solid defense, but blocking with the throw.
That's a flag. Get him out of there. That was nice. Okay, that's a dead freezer. That's a dead freezer. This is the work of a god. Yeah. Freeze ain't nothing to a god. Alright, so Zero with a convincing lead right now. He barely got touched like once. Ooh, that was options. So what's gonna come out? Who's gonna okay, he got out. Alright, now it's my next. I should have grabbed that.
Nice vanish into assist. Combo.
Get him back in the corner. Make sure he's dead. Ooh, nah, that was unsafe first. He waited for that. My guy was shimmying by himself. He was like, jiggleboard.
Looks really good for the man.
Yeah, that's a complete domination right there. Like,
almost full health.
I should have continued. Okay, so Mild Man trying to open up Zero right now. Zero's defense is... Damn, did he read that? Bro, he's not playing around one bit. Is it going to be the work of God? Nah, not yet. That was spaghetti right there. That was spaghetti. Oh my god. It's unfortunate. That was spaghetti right there. Alright, so we're really trying to open up each other. Okay, we gotta confirm. What's it gonna be? Is it gonna be the work of God? Nah, not yet. Yo, Zero with the one-man army. That was a convincing match for Zero. Clap it up. Clap it up for both players, of course. Time to reach even grander heights. Is my man gonna bring this back, or is this gonna be a 3-1 for Zero? Let's see how it goes. Okay, they went back to character slate. Okay, so he's debating whether to change, maybe the order or the characters. Let's see how it goes. I wanted to see Zero's Bardock. Zero, what you doing, man? I want to see a Bardock.
Maybe he wants to come. We don't know yet. Or maybe it's almost finished.
Okay, no, he decided to stay. Was his 16 before as an anchor, or I think he changed. I don't know. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. No, he didn't change. I think he stayed the same. All right. What music? All right. Whoever picked Broly got good taste of music.
It's time to keep him fired up.
Yeah. Alright, so let's see how this goes. Is Mild Man gonna bring this back, or is this gonna be total domination from Zero? Let's see how it goes.
Last match was really total domination.
Yeah, that was definitely, he got his behind whooped. That was like, nah. Ready? Alright, so neutral starts. Oh, and there's a confirm with the overhead.
Zero man on the
Yeah. Did the heavy version to get him a corner. Looks like he really was not knocked. He had no right. Yeah, exactly. Zero. Zero's mix-ups up. Fire. Yeah, his mix-ups on fire. You never know what this dude's gonna do. Nah, bring Frieza back here. The Namekian wants to get his revenge. You kill my people, I'ma kill you. Spaghetti moment again. Okay. Yeah, that was the vengeance from the Namekian people. Yo, Zero's Piccolo is like, Piccolo is really slept on, to be honest. Okay. Alright, neutral, back in neutral. Let's see how this goes. Zero really doesn't want to let him breathe one bit. As soon as he's close enough, like, you're not going to breathe with me. That's what he's basically saying.
Actually, Piccolo got some orange from behind.
Yeah.
On the back.
Yeah, that's a block string. Alright, now Zero trying to bait. Okay, yeah, he got back in there. He was trying to bait my man before, but now he got him. Okay, nice blocking from my man right there. That's unfortunate. Yo, the real dad putting in work. He's telling this son, go on, watch me. she's telling Goku, see how her dad really does it. He got hit with the crossover again. Is it Hell's Grenade? Nah, not yet. Nah, he blocked it. He blocked it. He blocked it. He blocked it. What the? Oh, okay. Yo, Zero. Domination. It's domination.
Almost there.
Ooh, he's dead. Clap it up. Clap it up for both players. Yo, that was nice.
Nice final.
3-1. So what do you think of this set? Like, my man was really fighting really well, but like game 2, he like dominated the game. He was really good, but like at some point, Zero adapted. He knew, so like yeah. He kept the pressure going, kept baiting, kept going with new mix-ups that my man couldn't like see and whatnot. And like, yeah, that's basically how I see it.
Yeah, it's exactly that how you say it, because one time my man got this opportunity, he got his match, but Zero, he gave him no chance to breathe, man. Yeah. It's always keep on the pressure. You have to keep on the pressure at Dragon Ball FighterZ. And he knows how to do it, and that's brought him the win.
Select your fighter.
And now my main man, Solid G NYC on the stage. Let's see these losers finals, how it's gonna go.
My man versus Solid G.
Yeah, Solid G beat me because he knows me. He got lucky again. Crusty ass Vegeta.
Imagine a little bit salty because he's not, but yes, gives everything to a man, Solid G, representative from Luxembourg.
Yo, clap it up for everyone today. Clap it up. Come on. There's some good Dragon Ball Z right there. Let's see how this goes. Well, you know my favorite Solid G. You know it's my main man, Trayvon. So like, but
For sure.
I mean, I really don't know who could win here. Like, I'm really excited to see these. See how this goes. Solid G with his Goichi team.
Wisst ihr, was ich meine? Ich kennt die scheiß Buster Blitzebusch. Ich gesagt, man, du brauchst den, den auf Englisch kann.
Okay, yeah, let's do
Aber
it
weißt
like
du,
that.
ich gesagt, du musst auf Englisch.
Let's do it like that. Let's do it like
Mach mal
that.
ein bisschen für die zwei Leute, die heißen.
Let's do it.
Ich gesagt, ich will mehr Power, gib mir die Power, gib mir. Ich will sie verlieren, du, wie ich dann auf Englisch
Let's do it.
So, man, Solid G, he weiß, wie es geht. Die nicht gegen sich gewonnen mehr. Gohan. You see Gohan now in action.
And of course, the Android 18 music. Solid G's waifu. Is it right? That's right. That's right.
Oh, you
That's
got
right.
right for backup power.
Alright, man. Let's get hype. Losers finals.
So fast Vegeta Assist, Vegeta Assist, besten Assist am Spiel. Man wird den noch bleiben.
Definitely. Definitely. I don't know if it's gonna stay. Maybe one of the DLC characters gonna have some OP.
Brothers with a good assist with an offering. Brothers assist also really well.
何もできなかったあの頃とは違う
Hey, Juan Blanco. Alright, let's get hype. Let's go. Immediately with the Vegeta assist, of course, because that's not like a neutral. Okay. Nice little rock string. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. And the neutral's still going. The players really didn't open up each other. And as I say, Solid G opens up. Oh, damn! Ah, he dropped it. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Yo, you gotta do everything not to bring back Frieza. Okay. Okay. We still caught up. We still got it. Well, I don't know. It'd be smarter to get rid of 16 because 16 is really like super good. So. Okay, yeah. Okay. How's it gonna go? Yeah, okay. 16 is really a threat. Like, oh, yeah, nice.
Opened up.
Yeah, because Frieza's assist is only one hit. It's pretty fast. That's why you had the time to like throw him and get it. Yeah, that's okay. That's good.
Run got him. Yeah. Back to the close. No, what he said.
Oh, he did the wrong. I think he meant to call Vegeta. That did not work out in his favor, unfortunately. Oh, the two evils. The two main men. Salvas Frieza. Who's the better evil? Oh, and he opened it up right there. Of course, 16 combos. Yeah, he did the crossover, of course. Dominic Wilkins.
And back to
Tim Duncan.
And I think that's the kid.
Yeah, that's that. That's
Now
that.
it's that. That's good.
Alright. Unfortunate for Salah G because he could have killed Frieza right there, but he
Das ist
missed
ziemlich
it.
starke Charakter. Schon von der Sonic Super müssen Spieler werden.
Yeah, he opened him up right
So, was du an den verletzt. Müssen
Level 3.
Möchtest du warten, wenn er so. Du hast es überlebt. Er hat aus dem Dode Gohan.
Damn. Is it gonna be a Vegeta comeback? I mean, Trayvon is known to come back with Vegeta, so that's doable.
Und so hat er Wupp gemacht, aber direkt am Dragon Ball schon weiter.
He was way too scared to do something.
Er hat alles gedacht,
That's nice.
das geht weiter. Am Act.
Alright, nice defense. Nice defense from Salah. Yeah, hit him with his own. I'm just gonna check my phone to see the comments, see anyone in the stream.
Jetzt weiter, oh, Frieza wird noch gemacht, Arne Röte. Auf die Bühne, geht weiter mit Sparking mit leider, Combo nicht weiter, Kid. Anders weiter, du warst nicht fertig. Und so war
That was pretty unfortunate because I feel like my man stole this because Trayvon had to drop his combos as usual. Unfortunately. But yeah, I think this looks pretty even. I don't know who's gonna win this set.
Frieza with Day Wayne. I thought that might go chase the bank and Wanna get it back at turn, go and work out.
Oh, the punish.
And dumping in the corner with the mixer. It's all in the pack. Good reset up.
Yeah, that's a good thing to change.
Go
Gohan is good, but he ain't no hero.
die Mixer vom Set. Ganz gut gleich. Geht immer weiter. Gibt es nicht mal, immer weiter geht es. Und du hast einen Back, den Mixer. Leute, Kick kommt Film, aber geht der im
He misses EAD right there, but it's okay. Yeah, that's nice.
Right up the front of the combo.
Okay, they're still really trying to open up each other. Trey respecting my man's 16, obviously. Yeah, he saw that.
Ja, es wird einfach kraftlos, dass du die Form hast und du bist hochgekickt.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, that's level 3.
No, als mit Hellfeuer aus meinem Arm. Als Knärm können Hellfeuer raus.
Oh, no, that's canon, huh? The 16 mushed at himself. That's not shit. Good thing. That's a good thing to do. Yeah. Oh, we missed it. Nah, Trey was reaching right there. He got hit. He's definitely trying to get rid of Gohan.
Good damage.
Yeah, that was neat.
Gohan,
Is he dead? If he gets 3 bars, he's dead.
Yeah. Into the super
Is he dead?
I'm not sure. Can be, I think,
Yeah, barely killed. Yeah.
Last hit of the combo. That was Bam 2 abgefahren. Gohan, komm zurück, die wird sterben, Gohan.
Oh, the punish! Why you reaching?
Miss out your training, Gohan. Du hast dein Training.
Why you reaching?
So, wir sind gegen Vegeta. Normalerweise hat Vegeta keine Chance mehr. Vegeta hält das Senkai Boost. Also geht es das Fucking Blast.
First, the Senkai Boost.
Into combo. Ja, but it was Senkai Boost.
Damn. Don't reach him, bro. Okay. Trying to open him up, and he got him open. Okay, now the loop, cell loop. Oh, he's not even gonna do it. Okay.
Da wird das Big Bang von Vegeta am Anfang gefallen.
I could have punished that. That's unfortunate. That is pretty unfortunate.
Alles gut, komm, super, der ist leider gewählt schon genug. Also probieren wir es zu den anderen, aber Freezer den Vegeta
Damn.
Wenn wir nach Cell. Comeback from Cell and Major, Cell will choose to the comeback stuff.
Alright, so they neutral, trying to put up each other. Still nothing, but let's see how it goes. Is Trey gonna make his comeback? I believe it. Oh, he started reflecting, but he dropped it still. Okay, he's in there. Okay. He punished it the wrong way. Yeah, that's nice. He opened him up. How's he gonna do it? Ooh, the hook from him. Yeah, he's dead.
Proper and way to win for my man.
Is Solid G gonna bring this back? Let's see how it goes.
Man, Solid G, wir sind ein Team. Wer hat mal in einer Team Mix abgesehen?
Definitely. No, is he gonna do what I think he's gonna do?
Und hast du Representer von uns
Oh
Lützeburg.
my god, why you do
Wer hat mal gesehen? Geht ein Back, dass Lützeburg an Grand Finals kommt oder wird Germany, Deutschland. Zu Lützeburg an der Grand Finals, weiß was kommt.
Yeah, he decided to say that's smart, that's better. Of course, Trey going with the Swoop team. Because he knows how it goes.
Whips, Games, White.
Let's see how this goes. Let's see if Trey can do the reverse 3-0 or not.
I believe in him. He got you out of it. Wait, sie hat den Tisch gewonnen, natürlich. Alles aus mich.
Plus, in the beginning, it looked pretty like, you know, Trey had held it down, but at some point, I don't know what happened, and like, my man just overwhelmed him.
Mein Mann war durch. Clean durch, Kombos durch, man. Muss schon so ein Freezer als Charakter, der gesagt in der Duft an. Mix-Ups, besser gesagt, Blockstrings, so Freezer, die sich schon ein bisschen ungewinnt.
That's true.
Wie sehen sie kommen an? Da das definitive Plus auf mein Mann.
That's true.
孫悟空の息子ですか。大きくなりましたね。
Oh, they gonna let the intros roll? Go ahead and intro!
I love that. Respekt für Intro, so soll das sein.
Yeah, no. Exactly. See how this goes.
Go on, keep the pressure on.
Okay, they're pretty much trying to open up each other right now.
Can you open Freezer?
He did not do it in time, but it still got him.
Hey, quick, andere gehen mit Combo high. Corner pressure. Corner pressure lebt mit der Corner gut. Solli kriegt weiter alles. Proper, Block, mein Man.
Okay.
Sogar pressure war durch.
Don't reach, blood! Don't reach, young blood!
Andere geht es weiter, Mann. Yes, attention on leg. Oh,
he's gonna switch. Yeah. Trey expected it, but he did it too early. Now he's gonna have to try and do everything to get Frieza back in. He's gotta kill that Frieza. He's gotta kill that Frieza.
Dieser Trick kriegt, dieser Trick ist nicht immer durch. Ando war noch nicht, alle wird noch direkt ausgenutzt. Soll ich ihren Wunsch auf Frieza, kommt back in the game, was war nicht fertig. Wird probiert, es geht an der Luft, leider, wird Frieza so dann. Nichts ab, weiter. Level 1, kennt sehr schnell, Level 2, man denkt, man hat Knockdown. Let that come.
Mix-up time.
Hold on.
Is it gonna be a crossover or a grab? None of them. None of them. He baited him. He got the bait. Oh, and Frieza itself died in Happy Birthday. No. Oh, that's unfortunate. Everyone's saying Happy Birthday for Cell right there.
That's a lot of fun. Sein ganz clever Backstage, auch leider der Schiffmaske hinten an der Fahne strategisiert.
That was nice. Nope.
Pressure war so, leider. Go for open down.
He couldn't call, yeah, he couldn't call Vegeta. Vegeta wasn't. Nah, he blocked it. He blocked it. Oh, he did not block. Let's go.
Da kills wir den Solid G am Freezer.
Okay.
Alles möglich. Lützeburg kann den Comeback machen. Lützeburg gegen Deutschland. Egal, wird damals für mein Man Solid.
And he got opened up already.
You see that still on grab dunk for the man
Definitely get the hard knockdown for the mix-up.
Feuer für Militär, man.
What's the mix-up gonna be? Let's see.
What's up?
And the cross-up. Oh, and the DP! You not gonna try me today.
Okay, keep
Trying to
on the
open him
pressure.
up. Trying to open up right there.
You gotta not the pressure on the front.
Ooh, he got hit by Vegeta assist. And he's dead.
Net viel nice aus Vegeta und Goku.
Best assist in the game.
Ihr könnt da
That's why. There you have it.
Nothing Hälfte dann mit Elbow.
Like that. Okay, then basic. Oh, what the? That was spaghetti right there. I don't know what the hell happened.
I'm reaching with that shit. You always do the
That was not true right there. So, is Solid G gonna bring this back? Is he gonna bring this back?
Luxembourg versus Germany.
Yo, Luxembourg, make some noise for Trayvon right there. Make some noise. Let's go. Let's hype our man up. Alright, he got opened up already. He's looking bad. Oh, and he dropped his combo. Okay, yeah. Oh, and he knew he was gonna burst like that. Nah, that's not there yet. I would have done Flying Flash right there, but yeah, I guess he has. Oh, what the? What kind of baloney is that? He's dead. I think he's dead. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let's make some noise.
Oh, we kunnen zo
Convincing 3-0.
Mileman hat dominiert. Ein 3-0 knapp. Matcher waren knapp. Der Mileman hat gewinnen. Nichts abfahren, da Pressure da, an der richtigen Moment hast du geöffnet. Aber wenn es klappt, war ein guter Match von Solid G. Danke, properen Applaus, wenn es klappt für euch zwei. Loser-Finalisten.
Kannst du mir nur sagen, wie man seinen Text schreibt? Ich will keine Scheiße.
Tag, IG, groß IG.
Das war ein krasses Match. Die Deutschen gewesen, dass sie herkommen, an gut Lützeburg Scheibe beweisen, dass sie konnten aufkappen an Dragon Ball Fighters. Leider ist Lützeburg an der Finale, mit trotzdem. War krassen Loser Finals Match. Aber Mileman heute geholt, hallo können. Mileman gegen Zero. Schon viel drin haben wir gesehen an der Winner Finals, dass Zero am Anfang dominiert wird. Wird Mileman sich aufpassen können oder wird Domination bleiben? Magic, was meinst du? Zero versus Mileman.
Also, I'm definitely gonna say, I mean, knowing how good Zero is, my man is very good as well. But look at how winners finals went. I think we got our answer.
Möglichkeit besteht. Mileman wird wissen improved. Du lehrst nur ein Fight. Saiyajin sind da.
Yeah, see, even the spectators, even Chimera went up and said, "It's not gonna be, it's gonna be boring because we all know who's gonna win." Okay, Chimera with the disrespect. Okay. Let's see how these grand finals go. So, Mileman has to win 6 games against Zero.
That's so schwer.
I mean, my man won a game pretty convincingly, so it's possible. I mean, I have faith in him still. Oh, and he showed the bar dog. Let's go.
Bardock, ach du,
Der Bardock ist der-
DLC-Charakter.
The loot combos.
Goku, sein Pop, wie wir schon am Publikum hören. Komm, gucken, was er kann. The man.
Yeah, I mean, hey, is Zero gonna be a fighter soon? Because he playing Piccolo and Bardock. There's a message somewhere. There has to be a message somewhere.
Da haben wir schon das rosa Team, rosa Android 16 auf rosa Vegeta, ehrlich gesagt. Ich weiß nicht, für was rosa Charakter holen. Also cool, also Disrespect, weil die Volksschule hast gesagt, ich weiß es nicht. Nur die Charakter. Scheißegal.
I really.
Ich bin kein Fan von
Alright, so
rosa.
I'm ready. I'm ready to see that Bardock work. He better be like Kakatikui. Alright, let's clap it up for grand finals, everybody.
Grand Finals, first time.
And already Zero with the first hit. But then I managed to convert off of that.
Ja, ich sag mal, Leben von
That was-
mein Mann. Der nächste Zero nicht, wie schnell du machst. Und da waren leider schon raus. Weiter geht es. 16 Minuten open. Da. Natürlich, dieser ist die Fälle für Warner. Der geht nach vorne und
Michael Jordan. And the crossover right there. Hey! You should have kept reflecting.
ewig lang aus dem Mittel
Oh, don't tell me that Bardock is dead already.
It's that, I think it's that. No. I think that's that.
Killed by Frieza again. What is this?
Yeah, a good start to my man. With the reason of Frieza.
Okay, nice.
Right again.
Oh,
the Pro-Block, the Nation Turbo to my man. My man looks good.
Yo, my man is looking good.
And the Kenta Mata Frieza. No, he's not going to lose. Still got him, but
Okay.
right at the flashing leg. Take a village gewacht aan. Leeg 10 minuten.
He's having a hard time trying to open up Zero. Like, it's I'm oh, yo, he's like, get out of here, get out of here.
But
Cinematics open him up.
Now that's it, now that's the pressing, the pressing. They made the pressing right again. Kijk, je moet je niet niet. Goku Black als safe, das gut Saragata. Pressure for my man on next week. Aber das so attack Nita.
Oh, that was a medium. Oh, no, that was it. Okay. Basically trying to open up each other right now. See how this goes. Okay. Oh, yeah, the 3P, of course. Heavy. Nice grab from Zero right there. I should have punished that. And the pro basketballer right there. Balling is a hobby. I swear that's 16's motto. That's 16's motto, I swear. Balling is a hobby. That's basically all he does. He won every dunk contest he ever wins. Free. Oh, that wasn't it.
Cancel the vanish here. Low to open. That right there at Zero on. Look at Big Bang attack. Goku Black. Through him, kind of pushing through.
Don't underestimate it, God. Okay, is 16 gonna be that? 6 numbers. Yeah. Zamasu's sneaky self came out of nowhere. Came out of nowhere. Pause on that. Of course.
Domination, I do for my man, Rick. Zero, ready to come back.
Ooh, you say you're not gonna grab nobody today.
Lost an opening.
This is the work of a god.
I did. Yeah. Don't stop. Yeah. Come back for Zero. Ooh, that's that not good as your mile, man. You know, it's number that's fucking English forever. Come back up and
Ooh, he could have got it out there. He didn't expect it to not block that.
Ooh, that was slick for Bert. Look. And du hast ihn geopend für Zero. Zero gets him on back on.
Okay, back in the corner. Let's see what the mix-up's gonna be. Okay, he's really trying to open him up. Nope. He's not there yet, but that's gonna be a hell of a punch. Is it the work of a god? No, not yet. He got lucky that he wasn't in range. Messed up his he still got it. That was the no mix-up right there. Level 3?
Level 1 is not
Yeah, that's enough. My man's looking for a
comeback from my man.
Yo, this match, yo. That's some good ass Dragon Ball, man. Come on.
Aber Frieza Kruse, oben, Combo. You got him. Aber weiter geht's. Er geht am Nutzer Lastkick in den Neck. Alles sehr spannend. Den hält man echt nicht.
He could have killed him.
Black Stirman, hast du das?
Nah, he's not dead. Is he dead?
Not dead. No.
Oh, he's not dead yet. Oh, he could have punished him. Oh, what is he going to do? Yeah, he's dead. He's dead. Yo! What a kind of match, man. What a hell of a match right there.
Wow, een krasneeste match van de Grand Finals. Oh my god. Van toe to toe bis zum Schluss.
Yo, that. Oh, I'm loving these Grand Finals already.
Dat was iemand ganz viel schnell mein man wieder was viele Chancen hat immer gesehen. The adaptation of goal. On 16, 8% under Führung.
My man definitely showing that he's not going to go out easily.
Showing the mix-up. Showing the mix-up. Cross-up.
Oh, he burst already?
Ooh, schon gemerkt, also die Zero benutzt gerne Burst. Der alten Cross-up rauszukommen.
Not just that, he's trying to keep his character especially. Like Bardock, big damage.
Das geht, das war dann kein Lebensplatz.
Yo, he has combos for days with Bardock, I'm telling you. Wait till he opens him up. Wait till he opens him up.
Ach so. Wir wollen aber nicht aus der Flasche los.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
Das ist immer mal ein bisschen Bardock-Action halt.
This is canon too.
Weiter.
But let's hope his Bardock kills Frieza this time.
Dieser kann los jetzt öffnen. Du blockst.
Oh, and the pressure is, oh my god, that pressure.
Aber leider nicht am
And he's gonna, oh, he didn't switch? Yeah, there we go. He's gonna try and open him up. I don't think he's gonna call back Frieza. Oh, that was okay. Yo, Dragon Ball right there. Oh, Dragon Ball.
Wow, das tut ihm am Eck an sich weiter. Geht Combo umbrüden.
Okay.
Level 1.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. People. What? Oh, he messed up.
Leider geht vom 5 Uhr nach oben.
Okay, he opened him up again. I think that's, yeah, that's definitely that 16. Ooh. That's definitely that.
Das ist ein kleiner Mixer.
You did, son.
And der guten Combo hier am 2 abgefangen. Der richtige Moment Nummer 6.
Get that robot mess out of here. Come on.
Aber es war echt viel zu viel.
Yo, Bardock, though. Is Bardock gonna avenge his Saiyans today? Let's see right here. Hey, there we go. There we go. Get down to the ground, Frieza. Yo, that was cold. He's dead. He's as good as dead. This dude is dead.
Yes, they did that.
Taste my blade. Yeah. Yo, Zero. Domination. Domination. Exactly. Facts. Proper domination right here, right now.
Wie geht das, der bekannte Charakter für Comeback Rappen? Mein Mann kann alles stoppen, nicht warten, nach Inrush. Du hast natürlich Rappen.
Okay, the verse, yeah. I don't really agree with that burst, but you could have kept that burst for later. Really. Yeah, he's definitely trying to kill Bardock immediately. That's right. Okay, good block.
Bardock wird den guten Moment benutzt, weil Bardock das nur auf Bardock wird, weil die Charakter rausgelassen wird.
Ooh, okay. Okay, no. That's a nod too. Oh, here come the loops. Here come the loops. And he's got hella bars. Look at this. Get back here. That's definitely not gonna kill, but that combo was hella sexy.
Fine, that's a big. That's a
Zero, calm down.
My man got destroyed, man. Let's go. Shit. Zero beweist, dass der Weg hat den Bardock herabladen, das 90% Damage.
Oh my god. You're a lowlife. Yeah, I'm Goku Black. I'm a god. You can't mess up with me.
Also ehrlich gesagt, ich hätte nicht gedacht, dass der Bardock so krass aussieht.
I told you, he's got combos for days.
For days.
For days?
And
Nah,
days.
for years. I'm telling you.
Shit. Das war heftig.
And when I say days, it's like days in the space and time chamber in Dragon Ball. So imagine how long that is.
That's really long time.
Come on.
Das ist wert, die kommen noch hinkriegen, underground fire, direkt.
Yo, Zero is definitely a beast. He's a beast. He's not the best in Germany for nothing. I mean, there you have it. I bet he's like, yeah, I wish I could have done that to the Spanish player last time. But yeah, definitely domination from Zero right there. Let's see if my man can bring this back. My man showed that he's definitely like holding his ground. He's still there. But let's see.
Mein Mann hat gewissen, er kann nicht rappen.
Yeah,
Mit Sibo wird jemand nicht einfach machen.
yeah, that's definitely not gonna be easy. Not against a player like Zero.
Den hat Pressure on. Alles geht an Pressure. Kannst du Pressure halten oder müsste Pressure aushalten. Also aushalten oder halten.
Okay. Gotta go for option select as Zero see coming. Okay.
Es wird etwas, wenn ich bei Sibo auch jemand wird von der Hit von der richtig gut von den als Controller-Player.
Yeah, that's true.
Das ist immer die bekannteste Player in der Final, den Top-Spieler.
Yeah, it's true.
Man's Controller-Player.
Hey, in Dragon Ball, the controller don't mean anything. It's like, even in Street Fighter, I mean, in Street Fighter, you got players that are super good, like, for the moment dominate, and they play pass, so the controller really doesn't mean anything. Oh, he's there. He's hella there.
Schau dieser Mann. Sie sei ans Böse gerascht.
Bardock was like, yeah, you're not gonna mess with my Saiyans anymore. Oh, he was like, nah, get that mess out of here. Get that mess out of here. Oh, he messed up. Or maybe he tried to mix up, do something new. What is this combo? Chill out, Zero. Oh, the pressure. Yo, that pressure. That pressure. Oh, he messed up the second year. Messed up that second year. Oh, and there we go. Okay. Dominic Wilkins. Is that gonna work? Oh, that worked. Okay. Yeah. No, he's gonna switch right away. Vegito tried to be like, boy. But he's like, nah. Not today, beat. Oh, he got opened up already. Yeah, he bring it back 16. He's like, get that roll up back here, man. Oh, he messed up his combo. Yeah, this is looking pretty one-sided right now. Let's see if my man can bring this back. Ah, I messed it up. That overhead with an assist, that's a guaranteed combo. Definitely like Yamcha and whatnot. Oh, here come the loop combos again. That's gonna kill. That's definitely gonna kill. Yo, is my man gonna bring this back? This is looking very bad for my man right there. He was like, nah, I'm gonna hit one of you. I'm gonna hit you with one of these combos.
You're gonna see Bardock, huh?
Ah, he messed that up. Could've gotten something out of it, definitely. See how this goes. Now, my man really trying to open up Zero, but you see it's hard to open up this dude. Like, his defense is very convincing. It's Bardock, I'm telling you. Zero's Bardock is a thing of beauty. Yeah, definitely. But I'm saying, like, combo, yeah, there we go. Is this gonna kill? This is definitely dead. That's probably dead. That's probably dead. Ooh, the real Super Saiyan. And that's the kind of ending too. Yeah. Clap it up.
That's like Evo Shane Grand Final time.
And the winner of Dragon Ball FighterZ at Gameland 2 is Zero. Yeah. That's what you call Dragon Ball right there.
Also, mit alle Glück durchschauen. Der Favorit vom Turnier war der Zero. Mein Man wird alles gehen am nächsten Match und gewissen, das Kind. Der Win für die Schule, mit Zero so zu schnell. Ich mache das, was ich am besten kann, under das Kicking Ass.
Definitely thank you to everybody that came to Gameland 2. We appreciate the support. Make sure you go hit up Will Live Games on Facebook, willlivegames.lu. Make sure you go hit up VGLU.lu as well on Facebook too. I mean, it's thanks to them why we have this event. I'm happy to always see people that can, you know, do something for the gaming community since we're already in Luxembourg. So like, thank you for coming. I'm Majin Saru, this is O-Beats, and we're out.
Thank you. Aneke, merci, dat is dat doorbraak.